Excellencies, distinguished guests, and dear fellow student, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I am Madiha Batul. I will be your host for today. On the behalf of the Snow Leopard Foundation, we warmly welcome you to all to the International Snow Leopard Day 2025. We are honored to have with us today our chief guest, Ms. Hasina Ambreen, DIG from Ministry of Climate Change and Environmental Coordination. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our esteemed guest, Ms. Hasina Ambreen, DIG, Islamabad Wildlife Management Board, Arid Agriculture University, Ministry of Climate Change, Media and Snow Leopard Foundation. A big round of applause, please. We are truly honored to have with us today. Everyone kindly settle down on your seats as we begin the proceedings. Let's begin the formal ceremony with the recitation from Holy Quran. I will invite Hijab Fatma to please come on the stage and recite some verses from Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah. Now I will give you a little briefing about snow leopards. Snow leopards, often called the ghost of the mountains, play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of their alpine ecosystem. Yet these magnificent creatures face growing threats to their survival. International Snow Leopard Day is a reminder of urgent need to protect this iconic species and fragile habitat they call home. This year we remark the occasion with 23 for 23. A 23-minute awareness walk dedicated to 12 range countries that snow leopard habitats. By taking part, we celebrated the beauty of these elusive cats and reaffirmed our commitment to the conservation, coexistence, and sustainable practices. Together, let's be the guardian of the mountains, ensuring a safe future for snow leopards and generations to the come. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Dr. Jafiruddin, Deputy Director of Snow Leopard Foundation, Pakistan, for the welcome talk. Please have a big round of applause for him.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The Honorable Chief Guest, distinguished guest of honor, respected guests, colleagues from the Islamabad Wildlife Management Board, and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all to the celebration of International Snow Leopard Day 2025. This year's theme invite all people to take 23 minutes for the snow leopard, whether by running, cycling, or performing any physical activity, to show solidarity with the snow leopards and the important ecosystems they represent. The snow leopard is often termed as the guardian of the mountains. These mountain ranges, stretching from Central and South Asia, hold the largest glacier reserves outside the polar region, harbor rich biodiversity, and provide essential ecosystem services for millions of the people. Despite the immense ecological value, these ecosystems face increasing threats from climate change, habitat loss, and illegal hunting. And significant portion of the snow leopard range falls along the international borders, and its true conservation depends on promoting regional cooperation. And that's why in 2013, the 12 snow leopard range countries, including Pakistan, laid the foundation of the global snow leopard and ecosystem protection program, thereby adopting the famous Bishkek Declaration on this day. And just last year, the UN General Assembly officially recognized October 23rd as the International Snow Leopard Day. In Pakistan, the Snow Leopard Foundation, in collaboration with the federal and provincial governments and local communities, has now been working in more than 16 valleys and engaging over 40,000 households in conservation and sustainable livelihoods. This program has also introduced some innovative remote sensing monitoring techniques in Pakistan, and the implementation of these state-of-the-art research tools such as camera trapping, conservation genetics, resulted in the first robust estimate of snow leopard population in Pakistan. And beside that, snow leopard program is also nurturing local talent, and so far have supported 8 PhDs and over 30 postgraduate researchers in wildlife research and conservation. Apart from that, the program has established over 70 school nature clubs, and by doing this, we are fostering youth conservation ambassadors, and many of these nature clubs are celebrating this day today in their respective valleys and schools. As we gather here today for in an emblematic 23-minute walk, we join the global movement of conserving the snow leopard and the resilient mountains ecosystems they symbolize. I once again thank you all for joining us here today. Together, let us reaffirm our commitment to conserving the snow leopard, a true symbol of harmony, strength, and balance in nature. Thank you so much.
Now I would like to invite Dr. Tariq Mahmood from Arid Agriculture University to share some kind word with us. Please have a warm round of applause for him.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Chief Guest, Administration of the Snow Leopard Foundation, Islamabad Wildlife Management Board, people from Ministry of Climate Change, and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I am thankful to the Snow Leopard Foundation and their administration for inviting Arid Agriculture University students for this important event, International Snow Leopard Day 2025. So I would just share a few points, especially for our students, regarding the relevance of the day and the biodiversity of Pakistan. Pakistan is blessed with rich biodiversity as well as the animal diversity. This country has got almost 25 species of amphibians, 175 species of reptiles, more than 750 species of birds, as well as 195 documented species of mammals. So they occur from the sea level up to the top of the mountains, that is up to the Khunjerab National Park. So out of this blessed biodiversity and faunal diversity, one of the major group of the wild animals is the mammals. More than 5,500 species of mammals are reported from the globe, and out of which 10 different orders of mammals they occur in Pakistan. However, it is important to note that more than 25% species of mammals, they are threatened with extinction at the moment. At the global level, more than 24% mammals are facing the threats of extinction, although many have vanished during the evolution process. So if we look at the Kemp report, the only report that shows the status of mammals of Pakistan. Out of 195 species of mammals they are reported from the country, there are more than 40 different mammal species. They are having the status of threatened species, and 12 different species are there which are critically endangered. 12 others are endangered species. So one of those species is the snow leopard. Although IUCN Red List globally designates it as vulnerable, but in Pakistan this species is critically endangered. And I'm glad to know that Snow Leopard Foundation has finally succeeded in giving us an estimate of the snow leopards during this year through their extensive ecological research and camera trapping. And they have reported that more than 267 species, 267 individuals of snow leopard they are present in Pakistan. So although the species reported from 12 different range countries, in Pakistan, this species is facing many threats, and one of the biggest threats to the population of snow leopards is the human conflict. So, in the areas where snow leopard is occurring, human conflict for livestock depredation is one of the major threats to the population. Although Snow Leopard Foundation and other organizations, they are trying their level best to conserve the snow leopard population through different strategies. But even then, we need to unite and join hands for future conservation of this important top predator species in the country. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable knowledge with us. Please have a big round of applause to appreciate Dr. Tariq Mahmood. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ministry of Climate Change and Environmental Coordination has always played an instrumental role in advancing conservation efforts. It is now my great honor to invite Ms. Hasina DIG, Minister for Climate Change and Environmental Coordination, to podium to share her sentiments please with us. Ma'am, please come on the stage. Please have a big round of applause for her.
Gratitude and celebration. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Distinguished guests, dear students, colleagues and friends, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to you all. It's pleasure to join you all in celebration International Snow Leopard Day, a reminder of our shared duty to protect the majestic ghost of mountains. Through the global campaign 23 for 23, 23 minutes for snow leopards, we honor this incredible species by taking 23 minutes of hiking together, celebrating movement, resilience and our connection with nature. The snow leopard is not just a beautiful creature, it is a symbol of balance, endurance and harmony in nature. Found in high mountain ranges of Gilgit-Baltistan, Chitral and parts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, this elusive cat thrives where few others can survive. But sadly, its existence is under threat from climate change, habitat loss and illegal hunting. When we talk about saving the snow leopard, we are also talking about protecting the entire mountain ecosystem. The rivers, glaciers, forests and communities that depends on these mountains for life itself. This small act, walking for 23 minutes, connect us to a global movement. Across snow leopard ranges countries from Kyrgyzstan to Nepal, Mongolia to Pakistan, people are walking, running, cycling or doing yoga, all to show their solidarity with snow leopard conservation. Here in Pakistan, I am proud to say that Snow Leopard Foundation, in collaboration with Ministry of Climate Change and Environmental Coordination, has been at the forefront of snow leopard conservation. The ministry, on its part, continues to work closely with partners and provincial departments to strengthen wildlife laws, promote climate resilience in mountain ecosystem, and advocate for regional cooperation of biodiversity conservation. Today, hike on Trail 5 may seem small, but it carries a powerful message. Every steps we take together for nature counts. So as we begin our 23-minute hike, I invite you to reflect on endurance of snow leopard, how it adapts, how it survives, and how it reminds us that protecting nature is ultimately about protecting ourselves. Let us walk with purpose, share our moments on social media using 23 for 23 and encourage others to do so. Let us show the world that Pakistan stands strong for snow leopard, for our mountains, for our health. Thank you. Let's begin our hike for the ghost of mountains. 23 for 23.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your thoughts with us. Please have a big round of applause for her. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a privilege to introduce Mr. Sakhawat Ali, Deputy Director for Research and Planning at Islamabad Wildlife Management Board. He is a wildlife ecologist and he has been involved in several IWMB related events and conservation initiatives, such as leading cleanup drives and participating in workshops. I would now like to invite him on the stage to deliver the vote of thanks. Please welcome him on the stage. Have a big round of applause for him.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much, Madam Hasina, DIG Forest, Dr. Tariq Mahmood, जाफ़र साहब, मैडम मैविश और IWMB का स्टाफ और यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडेंट्स। आज जब हम सुबह यहाँ पर आ रहे थे तो हमारी मैडम ने क्वेश्चन किया था, सर स्नो लेपर्ड तो यहाँ पे होता नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे दिन बनाने का मकसद क्या है? तो मेरे ख़्याल से आप लोग भी साल में एक दिन अपने लिए मनाते हैं। कौन सा दिन होता है वो? बर्थडे होती है। उस दिन आप को अपनी अहमियत का पता लगता है कि उस दिन आप क्या पैदा हुए थे। तो स्नो लेपर्ड अपनी बर्थडे तो नहीं मना सकता, लेकिन हम लोग जो उनके हैबिटेट को नुकसान पहुंचा रहे हैं, जितने भी हैबिटेट डिस्ट्रक्शन कर रहे हैं, और इस हवाले से इसकी आवाज़ किसने पहुंचानी है? आज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ क्लाइमेट चेंज, स्नो लेपर्ड, यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडेंट्स और IWMB का जितना भी स्टाफ यहाँ पे आया है वो स्नो लेपर्ड के लिए आया है। और नो डाउट मार्गला हिल नेशनल पार्क के अंदर भी इसका एक कज़न मौजूद है, कॉमन लेपर्ड जिसे कहते हैं वो। तो ये समझ लें कि स्नो लेपर्ड की याद में आज हम यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हुए हैं और स्नो लेपर्ड के लिए 23 मिनट आपने देने हैं। तो वो 23 मिनट्स एज आ स्टूडेंट्स आज यहाँ से ये सीख के जाएं कि कल को आप जो स्टडी कर रहे हैं, आपके ये 23 मिनट जो हैं वो किस तरह इस्तेफ़ादा कर सकते हैं। तो सबसे पहले आज के दिन के हवाले से, स्नो लेपर्ड के हवाले से बहुत से लोग कहते हैं अवेयरनेस से काम नहीं होता। जितना भी काम हो रहा है वो सबसे पहले अवेयरनेस से ही बताया जाता है, इश्यूज़ को हाईलाइट किया जाता है, उसके बाद उन इश्यूज़ का सलूशन ढूंढा जाता है कि कौन से इश्यूज़ हमें फ़ेस हो रहे हैं। अगर मैं बात करता चलूँ मार्गला हिल नेशनल पार्क में, मार्गला हिल नेशनल पार्क में पहले कॉमन लेपर्ड को कहा जाता था ये यहाँ पे एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता, लेकिन अब सिचुएशन डिफरेंट हो गई है, क्योंकि जब लोगों के अंदर अवेयरनेस आई कि कॉमन लेपर्ड यहाँ इस जंगल का रहने वाला बासी है तो इसकी हिफाजत हमने करनी है, तो लोग लेपर्ड्स को अडॉप्ट करना शुरू हो गए हैं। किस तरह अडॉप्ट कर रहे हैं कि जैसे आप ट्रेल के अंदर आए थे तो वहाँ पे आपको हदायत मिली थी कि किस तरीके से आपने जंगल में जाना है और मगरिब अंधेरा होने से पहले पहले जंगल से आपने बाहर चला जाना है, क्योंकि उसकी टेरिटरी की रिस्पेक्ट करनी है। इसी तरह स्नो लेपर्ड जो है उसको जो ख़तरात लाहक हैं उसमें आप लोग क्या किरदार अदा कर सकते हैं। और सबसे ज़्यादा किरदार जो है मेरे ख़्याल से स्टूडेंट्स का है आगाही के हवाले से। आज आप लोग तो आ गए हैं, लेकिन यूनिवर्सिटी में हज़ारों स्टूडेंट्स जो बैठे हुए हैं, आपके कोलीग्स नहीं आ सके। आज के दिन का मैसेज उनको जाके आपने पहुंचाना है। अगर आज यहाँ पे 50 लोग मौजूद हैं, उन्हें मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 करेंगे तो 250 लोगों तक हमारा पैगाम जो है वो पहुँच जाएगा। तो सबसे पहले आप लोगों ने अपना ये पैगाम स्नो लेपर्ड का कि आज के दिन स्नो लेपर्ड का दिन मनाया क्यों गया, और स्नो लेपर्ड को जो ख़तरात लाहक हैं और स्नो लेपर्ड के ऊपर जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं उन काम करने का फ़ायदा क्या है। लेपर्ड को बचा लेंगे तो मेरे ख़्याल से एक आम इंसान को कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा। किसी लेमैन से पूछें तो वो कहेंगे जानवर को क्यों बचा रहे हैं, इतना पैसा इसके लिए ख़र्च कर रहे हैं, ये पैसा किसी गरीब को भी दिया जा सकता था। लेकिन इशू ये है कि आप लोग इकोसिस्टम को पढ़ रहे हैं। इकोसिस्टम में एक स्पीशीज़ अगर ख़त्म होती है तो पूरे का पूरा इकोसिस्टम डिस्टर्ब होता है, और उसका जो लॉस होता है वो हर बंदे को बियर करना पड़ता है। तो आज के दिन की बनिस्बत से आप सब लोगों का ख़ास तौर पे मैडम हसीना, DIG, डॉक्टर तारिक महमूद जो मेरे टीचर भी हैं, जाफ़र साहब, मैडम मैविश और IWMB का स्टाफ और स्टूडेंट्स, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। अभी आप लोग वॉक पे भी जाएंगे और मार्गला हिल नेशनल पार्क के ट्रेल को 23 मिनट देंगे। उसमें भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप लोग देखेंगे कि हो सकता है आपको कॉमन लेपर्ड के स्कैट्स नज़र आ जाएं, ट्री स्पीशीज़ कौन कौन सी हैं, ये आप आज यहाँ से सीख के जाएंगे। और थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you so much, sir. As we come to end of this meaningful gathering, I would like to express my heartful gratitude to each and every one of you for your presence and participation today. Your commitment to the conservation of snow leopards and our shared environment is truly inspiring. A special thank you to our esteemed guests for their invaluable insights and support. Now, I would like to invite our distinguished guests and the event organizers to please come up on the stage for a group photograph. After the photo session, we will proceed for 23 for 23 awareness hike. Thank you all for being part of this meaningful ceremony.